Let's be honest, getting quality survey data is a challenge that isn't going away. With Dynata, our QualityScore technology uses AI and machine learning to scan 175 data points in real time, removing and replacing poor quality responses before they ever make it into your final data set, unlike many other survey providers that fail to catch fraudulent data, creating more work and more cost for you on the back end. Dynata's proactive approach to data cleaning ensures that your data is right the first time. When we close field, the data is clean and ready for analysis, while other providers continue an endless cycle of reviews and refielding. With Dynata, QualityScore does the hard work during your survey, so you can skip the manual cleanup slog at the end and get on with your next project. And QualityScore doesn't just protect you from bots and fraudsters, it learns from them. Every foiled fraud attempt helps the system get smarter. Shady tricks feed our machine learning models so that we can stop the next wave of bad data before it even starts. The bottom line? Dynata delivers real people, real data, and real confidence with every survey, every time. Try it today.